Good morning, students. I am Subramani, Associate Professor, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Today, in this video lecture, we are going to see how to write a very good paragraph. What are the characteristics of a paragraph? Now, you see. Read the given paragraph and say whether it is a good one or not a good one. If it is a good one, you have to tell the reason why it is a good one. If not, you should tell the reason why it is not a good one. Sunday is my favorite day of the week. I like it because on Sunday I watch football. On other days, I also get to watch football, but not all day. There are other sports on the other days to watch on TV. Sunday lunch is a favorite of mine because I eat with my father in front of the TV. All the other days, I have to eat at the table, which is less fun. Some days, my dad doesn't make it home from the work until after I am in bed. Some weeks, my dad travels and I don't see him for several days. The highlight of the day is when we watch the Dolphins play. Dad and I get so excited. We yell and cheer together. The thing that I like to do best in the world is watch TV with my dad. Now, is this a good paragraph? We will see. Try to answer the following questions and you will come to know whether the paragraph is a good paragraph or not a good one. So, what is the main idea of the paragraph? Sunday is my favorite day of my week. Do other sentences support only the main idea? Yes or no? Other sentences, see the second sentence. On other days, I also get to watch football, but not all day. This doesn't tell about Sunday. There are other sports on other days to watch on TV. This also doesn't tell about the topic sentence. Sunday lunch, this tell about Sunday lunch. And so, there are some irrelevant details in this paragraph. Okay? Yeah. So, underline the irrelevant sentences in the paragraph. On the other, there are other sports on all other days. So, we have 3 irrelevant sentences in this paragraph. So, this is not a good paragraph. If we remove the 3 irrelevant details and we rewrite the paragraph, how does it look? Shall we see? And now we will see this one. See, after revision, how does the paragraph look like? Just you see. Sunday is my favorite day because I spend the day watching football with my dad. On Sunday, unlike other days of the week, when he works, my dad spends the whole day with me watching football on TV. We even eat lunch together while watching. The highlight of the day is watching the Dolphins game. Dad and I get so excited. We yell and cheer together. On Sundays, I get to combine watching my favorite sport and spending time with my favorite person. What a great day. Now you see, after writing, there are many improvements of that. A good paragraph should be like this. So what are the characteristics of a good paragraph? Now you see, every paragraph begins with a topic sentence. That is the main idea. So in this paragraph, the first sentence is the topic sentence. Sunday is my favorite day because I spend the day watching football with my dad. That is main important. See all other sentences, second sentence, third sentence and fourth sentence. You see all other sentences talk only about the first the topic sentence. You see, on Sunday, unlike other days of the week, when he works, my dad spends the whole day with me watching football on TV. So, his association with dad is discussed in the second line. Third line, we even eat lunch together while watching. So, Sunday time. The highlight of the day, again, it talks about the Sunday only. And next sentence, Dad and I get so excited, we yell and cheer together. But the activity on the Sunday, on Sundays. So every sentence is related to the topic sentence. No irrelevant details. So this is the characteristics of a good paragraph. Okay, right. Even when you write, you begin with a topic sentence. Then write 4 other sentences supporting the main topic sentence. Okay, shall we have some other exercise? Now you see, what are the characteristics that we saw? The last sentence of the paragraph is the concluding sentence, right? Okay. Now, in between, the second, third, fourth sentences can be, you have to use transition words also. When you add details, you use again and also besides, equally important, first, further, furthermore, in addition, in the first place, etc. If you want to give example, you can quote the phrases like, for example, for instance, in fact, specifically, that is, to illustrate, etc. To compare, also in the same manner, likewise, similarly. To contrast, although and yet, at the same time, but despite, even though, however, in contrast, in spite of, nevertheless, on the contrary, on the other hand, still, though, yet, etc. To summarize or conclude. All in all, in conclusion, in other words, in short, in summary, on the whole, that is, therefore, to sum up. To show time, afterwards, as long as soon as, at last, before, during, earlier, finally, formerly, immediately, later, meanwhile, next, since, shortly, subsequently, then, thereafter, until, when, while, etc. To show place or direction, above, below, beyond, close, elsewhere, farther on, here, nearby, opposite, to the left, north, etc. To indicate logical relationship. Accordingly, as a result, because, consequently, for this reason, hence, if, otherwise, since, so, then, therefore, thus. So, these transition words can be used to link one sentence with others, to give whenever you see it. Okay? Nice. Now, here is an exercise. You can write a paragraph on environmental pollution or nuclear energy. How will you begin? You have to begin with a topic sentence. How will you write a topic sentence? Just expand or explain the topic. For example, nuclear energy. What is nuclear energy? You give the answer. Energy obtained from the nuclear fuel, uranium-232 or thorium, etc. So that is the topic sentence. Then how do we obtain energy with the fuel? That you write first sentence, second sentence, third sentence. Thus we get nuclear energy. So you can conclude like that. So this is how you will have to write a paragraph. Thank you.